So what we are discussing, inventory management, right? So managing the stocks. Okay. So in inventory management, mainly we discuss 5 activities. Okay. So first is goods receipt, goods issue, transfer posting, reservation, and physical inventory management. These 5 activities we will discuss. Okay. So what we have completed yesterday, goods receipt completed, right? Guys, goods receipt completed?
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. So in goods receipt, what we have learned? We have learned GR with reference to PO, that is through transaction code, MIGO, movement type 101. And we have learned how to cancel the GR, the transaction code MIGO, movement type 102, and GR block stock 103. To cancel or to reverse GR block stock 104. So what is 105? To cancel GR and validate the stock 105. And to reverse 105, it is 106. And we have seen without a PO, GR without a PO. The transaction code MB1C, movement type 501. Also we have seen MB1C, movement type 561 for stock initial posting, initial stock posting. Okay. So these are the transaction codes and movement types we have come across yesterday. These are goods receipt. Goods receipt means stock came into, okay, stock added into. Okay, so now today we'll see goods issue and transfer posting. Okay, so let me log into SAP. System not login. What happened, guys? So, guys, can you hear me? You can see my screen?
Yeah, sure, we can see.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, one minute. Actually, it is hide actually. So let me. SAP not launching. Net connection, everything good only. Shit. So guys, how about your practice? Anyone have any issues, any pendings, practice pendings? Any difficulties in your practice? I hope everyone updated, right? Till completion, you have completed the practice also, right? Anyone have any pending, guys? See how many it is opening. How many clicks we have done? That many opened. Backend and backend opened. Okay, so let me log into SAP. Okay, so what is our enterprise structure? EC01 structure. Tell me guys, what is our enterprise structure? Which material we are practicing? Control F. What is our enterprise structure, guys? Anyone remember?
AB1, sir.
AB1. Because I am running the 7 batches. So for which batch, which company code, I cannot remember. Okay. So which material we have created very recently? Let's say 60. Okay. Implant. Okay. So very recent record is 616646. I think this one, right? Okay, not that one. Very recent is 77. Okay, I think this one. So Control Y, Control C. So let me show you the stock level. MMDE 0001. So this is our current stock level yesterday. Okay, so what we have done goods receipt. We have received all the stocks. Okay, now we want to proceed goods issue. Okay, so we have a stock. So that stock I want to issue to the production, or I want to issue to the cost center, or I want to issue to the some other like we have scrapping. Okay, there is a material damage, so I want to send it to, I want to give it to scrap. Okay, so I want to give it to sampling purpose. I want to give some stock. So different purposes I will issue the stock. So for example, if I want to issue the stock to cost center, the transaction code is MB1A. Okay, goods issue transaction code is MB1A. The movement type for cost center, it is 201. Okay, so let me do that. I want to issue the stock to cost center. MB1A. Transaction code MB1A, and movement type you have to enter 201. Guys, moment type. So you open and you check and you select. Okay, consumption for cost center from warehouse. Okay, you read it once, so you will have good idea. Then so cost center, it will ask cost center because you are issuing the stock to cost center. Now enter the material master. So this is my material master, right? So how much stock you want to issue? For example, I have 400 kg stock. Now I want to issue 50 kg stock. I want to issue to cost center. So I got an error. So in your production support project, you will see this type of errors. This is expected error only. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to do the configuration. Means for this cost element, we have to assign cost center. Okay. So we have to assign cost center. So where do we do? Under SPRO. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then controlling. Okay. Controlling main node. Under controlling cost element accounting, under cost element master data, under master data cost elements, under cost elements create cost elements and create primary cost element. So controlling area is same as your company code AB1 and cost element. So whatever the element it is showing here 4000. So enter that one only. Okay, and enter from date and to date. So from date, obviously today it is, and to date can be infinite, 31st of December 9999. Okay, so cost element category primary. So in your production support project, you will see this type of issues. You have to map your cost element to cost center. Okay, default account assignment. So you have to assign your cost element, cost center to cost element AB1 underscore CC cost center. So now you can proceed. Close this. Proceed. Okay, so just click on enter. It will be allowed. Now post it. So documents also posted. I will show you the document. First, you just refresh, stock will be deducted. So where it's went, so you cannot go to that, but you can see the stock, it is deducted, and the data details you can go to in material document. So how do you check the details? The transaction code MB03, recent record and material document information. So here and to the 201 minus. So if you see anytime minus, it means stock deduction, stock reduce. Okay, so then you can use it. Accounting document, you can check account document. So if you see BSX GBP, okay, so BSX it is 3000 4000 you just mapped it. Okay, so basically what is cost element? So I told you, right, cost element can be GL account, cost element can be profit loss account, cost element can be reconciliation account or whatever. Okay, so that is the account to which we will post some elements, are those are things we can call it as cost element. Okay, so it can be GL account, it can be profit loss account, balance sheet account, or reconciliation account, whatever. So I have issued the stock to cost center. So stock is deducted. Suppose if I want to issue stock to sampling. Okay, sampling. So how do you issue? What is the transaction code? What is the moment type? Transaction code will be same. The transaction code is MB1A, and moment type here, let's say 331. So if I execute 331, what will happen? Stock will be deducted from quality inspection stock. It will be posted. Okay, stock will be posted. So there is some stock in quality inspection stock, so that you want to issue to sampling purpose, sample. Okay, so you can execute moment type 331. Let me execute and show you. /n MB1A and moment type 331. Okay, you can open and check and verify. Okay, 331. What is 331? So 331 withdraw from stock random sampling. From sampling, you are issuing from which plant, which storage location, what is the material, how much quantity. So let's say 20 kg stock I want to issue. So post it. Stock will be deducted, material document posted. If you refresh the stock will be deducted from sampling. Okay, sorry, quality inspection. Okay, and if you want to issue stock from unrestricted, and it will be sampling. Okay, just click on 333. So what is this heading? You can see goods issued to sampling from unrestricted. Okay, from quality inspection, from blocked stock. You can read the heading. Okay, so let's say I want to issue 10 kg stock or 20 kg stock again. Okay, so if you refresh, stock is deducted. If you want to go through the document, material document, so just come back one step, close this, come back, check 333. Okay, 333 minus is always it is goods issue. Okay, stock is deducted. So the accounts 3000 stock account BSX and 237 GBB. Okay, expense from quality. So like that you can go through it. And if you have 335, what is 335? Stock issue from blocked stock. So there is some stock in blocked stock. So you want to issue to sampling 335. So click on enter material, and let's say I want to issue 10 kg. So accounting entries it is same. Accounting entries it is same, but only GL account will be vary. So if you see, I will show you. (335) accounting document. So only this one also same. Okay, so accounting entries everything same. Expense from quality it is showing. But what we have done now, we have done the moment type 335 only, right? 335 only. Okay, same it is, same as it is. So this is the 3 movement types. Okay, stock issue from quality inspection, stock issue from unrestricted, stock issue from blocked stock to sampling. If we have scrapping, so how do you issue the stock? Transaction code is same, MB1A. Movement type 551 from unrestricted use stock, 553 from quality inspection stock, 555 from blocked stock. So let me show you 551. Okay, so you can read the heading, goods issue scrapping. Okay, goods issue to scrapping from unrestricted activities. Okay, so from unrestricted, suppose you want to issue 20 kg stock. So document posted, if you refresh the stock 20 issued. And if you want to go through the accounting entries, 551, you can see BSX GBP, same jail account also. Okay, so stock is issued. And if you want to do 553, stock removed from quality inspection. So it is now you want to enter cost center also. System is asking, let's say 10 kg I want to issue. Again, I have cost element configuration. Okay, so where do you do? Under SPRO. That's why I am showing again and again. You just have attention. Okay, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling cost element accounting, master data, under master data cost elements, under cost elements create cost elements. Again, create primary cost elements. So what is the account now? Account 237,000. 237,000. So it will be from today's date. Create the GL account first. So maybe it is not copied. Okay. Yeah, it is there. Okay. Primary cost elements, default account assessment, you have to enter cost center. Save it. Now that error will be resolved. So if you want to go through, so click on enter and it will be skipped. Okay, so stock issue from 553, it means it is from quality inspection. So what is quality inspection stock currently? 130. So if you refresh, it will be 120. Okay, now you want to issue stock from block stock 555. Enter cost center. Accounting entries are same. Okay, so you don't need to enter. So stock will be removed from block stock. Currently it is 90. 90 become 80. So this is the way you can perform goods issue. Okay, not only for sampling, not only for scrapping. Okay, with reference to sales order. Okay, with reference to production order. There are different transaction codes and movement types. So you can go through the movement types here. Okay, so different movement types we have. So wherever you have question, you just go through and you can check. Okay, it is for cost center and consumption for sales order. If you want to issue stock against to sales order, it means customer place an order, you want to issue to the SD department. Okay, the finished product. Okay, so let's say,
hello sir.
Yeah.
Can you show the reversal momentum? Reversal momentum type in the
Consumption
goods
cost center
issue.
from momentum reversal.
Yeah.
Reversal, it is the same. Actually, we will not execute. So if you want to reverse, there will be some accounting entries we have to configure. So we'll check it out. Let's say 202. So material document we have to post. Okay, 202. So enter cost center. Let's say I want to reverse 10 kg. So the reversal, it will be like a GR. So for GR, whatever you have seen, like let me show you reversal, this one also. So if you refresh the stock, 201, stock will be credited. Same thing, guys. Stock credited. If you want to see it is stock increase. Okay, so can be 03. So we can go through it. 202 plus means goods receipt. So here BSX plus stock account credited and the GRIR clearing account consumption minus 3,000 4,000. So in previous case 201 3,000 it will be minus, 4,000 it is plus. So just reversal. So whatever the movement type you have some question, you have doubt. So if you have sales order, against to sales order, if you want to do issue, so you can do issue in the same way. Okay, so you can go through more different movement types. Okay, so here for sales order, what is sales order? If there is a sales order, I want to issue stock to against to sales order, so 231. And if you want to issue stock to asset, okay, or project, okay, or production order, there is that production order also we have. Okay, so order from consignment orders. So different we have, but we will not go through each and everything. So but just we will go through some important one. Okay, so this is the sampling reversal. Okay, so for every movement type, mostly it will be the reversal next number. Okay, scrapping reversal, all these things. Okay, so that's all about stock issue. Okay, goods issue. So next one is transfer posting. What is this transfer posting? Transfer posting in different ways. There are two ways. Okay, stock moving from one plant to another plant, or one storage location to another storage location, or stock moving from one condition to another condition. Let's say you have unrestricted use stock. So you have some 20 kg stock is doubtful stock that you want to send it for quality check. So you can send unrestricted to quality inspection that 20 kg stock. Once they have done inspection, if it is good, again you can take back to unrestricted. You have movement type 321, 322. Okay, 321 is from quality inspection to unrestricted. Sorry, 321 is from quality inspection to unrestricted, and 322 unrestricted to quality. Next number reversal. Okay, and if stock is bad stock, okay, you send for quality inspection. They have done the inspection. If it is bad, you want to post it to block stock. So you want to post to block stock means the moment type here 343. Okay, so like that we have different movement types. Let me show you one by one. Stock physical movement and stock position movement. Okay, there are different transfer posting. So guys, please switch off your video. Who is that? Please switch off your video. Maybe somebody switched on video. Please, who is that? Who switched on your video? Okay, so the transaction code is MB1B. Okay, so here 321, 322. It means stock moving from quality inspection to unrestricted to quality. So let me show you. For example, I have 120 kg stock in quality. So I want to move. The transaction code is so MB1B. In this moment, there will be no accounting entries. 321. From which plant, which storage location, what is the material? Let's say 10 kg stock. So you can read it. Transfer posting quality to unrestricted. So quality inspection stock to unrestricted use stock. Let's say 10 kg. 120 will become 110. So there will be no accounting entries, guys. So refresh. Stock deducted and credited. So go through the accounting entries also. So just refresh. 321 accounting document. Okay, no material document found. Okay, so there is no accounting entries for 321 or 322 also. 322 next number just reversal. Okay, so we don't enter, actually we don't need to go through, it is next number. You can see the heading also. Heading actually it is wrong. Okay, actually transfer posting from unrestricted to quality, it is both are showing same but it is different. Okay, so I'm going to post it now. Stock level it is 320 330 110, so it will be transferred, right? Check document posted. No accounting entries, guys, for all this. I will tell you whatever accounting entries. So it's become minus from unrestricted plus to quality inspection. Okay, so no accounting entries. So in the same way you can do 343 344. Okay, 343 is from stock moving from block stock to unrestricted use stock, unrestricted use stock to block stock. Let me check. So transfer posting block to unrestricted. So how much stock it is there in block? 80. So let's say I will move 10 kg stock. No accounting entries for this also. Refresh. So stock increased, stock decreased. Okay, next number will be reversal. 344. So stock will be reversed. Reversal means so it will become 80 and unrestricted will become 320. Stock moving from unrestricted to block stock. Suppose if you want to suppose there is some stock, block stock, you want to take it to quality inspection. There is a material urgency, so you want to use the block stock also. So before you block directly, you just send for quality check. If it is quality check approved, then you can use it, right? So you want to move some 20 kg block stock to unrestricted quality inspection. So how do you do it? 349. 349. What is 349? Block it to quality. Okay, directly you cannot use, and you just send for quality check. Let's say 10 kg. Then if you refresh, so stock is increased. Guys, 1 minute. Stock is increased and the stock is decreased. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Okay, so stock level changes. So stock level change, there is no material document. Okay, there is no accounting entries. Material document will be there, but accounting entry is not there. And the next number 350. Just quality inspection to. So here heading is wrong. Okay, stock will be moved from quality inspection to blocked stock. Let's say 10 kg. So as this stock will be back. If you refresh, you can see the stock will be 120 here and the stock will be 80 there. So like that, stock moving from one position to another position. In the same way, we have physical movement. Physical movement means, so let me write it here, 343, 343, 344, 349, 350. Okay. So stock moving from one plant to another plant. So for example, if you have stock in AA1 and you want to move to Hyderabad plant AA2. Okay, so same thing. Suppose if you want to have stock in BTM layout, you want to send it for, okay, you want to send it for. So I will do I will execute. Okay, so I will execute, then you can see the moment transaction code is same, MB1B, and moment type here 301, stock moving from one plant to another plant, 301. So here what I have entered, so here first I have to enter supplying plant and supplying storage location. Stock is moving from which plant? So which plant means supplying plant, and to which plant? So receiving plant. So receiving plant, let's say AA2, and receiving storage location, let's say 001. Okay, so just click on enter. System throws an error. What is that error? Material extend. Let's say 50 kg stock I want to move. Okay, material have to manage, have to extend. So how do you do it? So through transaction code MM01, material extend. Okay, AA22, AA1, just click on enter, enter, enter. That's it. And you may get one more error. Okay, that I will show you. So click on enter. So there is refresh problem. Execute transaction code MB1 once again. So 301.